Hello there, guys. First of all, a very happy new year to you all. I really hope you had fun and started your 2020 in the most positive way. And in this tutorial, we're going to be doing a free code challenge, and the section is React and Redux, and we're going to be doing learning how to connect Redux to React. So let's get down to it. So now that you've written both the map state props method and map dispatch to props function, I'm assuming you followed my previous tutorials. However, if you guys haven't, I strongly suggest you to go and do that first. So it says that you can use map state and dispatch to the props of one of your React components. The connect method from React and Redux can handle this task. This method takes two optional arguments, map state to props and map dispatch to props. They are optional because you may have a component that only needs access to state but doesn't need dispatch any actions, or vice versa. However, to use this method, pass in the function as arguments and immediately call the result with your component. This syntax is a little unusual and it looks like this. So it's a connect method excuse me, and it takes two arguments, which are both functions and a component as well, right? So if you know that if you omit one of the arguments, so either the map state to props or map dispatch to props, you will need to pass a null keyword in its place. Alright, so let's have some hands-on experience on this method. So in the code editor, the map state to props and the map dispatch to props function has a new React component called presentational. Alright, so this is map state to props and map dispatch to props, and it's talking about this component, the presentational component. Okay, so it says that connects the component to Redux with a connect method from the React Redux global objects and call it immediately on the presentational component. Alright, so this is our presentational component, and this is our render method. So it says insert your code here, so I'll just insert my code here. Alright, so assign the results to a new constant called connected component. So let's define a new constant called connected component, and let's call the connect method. Alright, and which takes in two methods, so map state to props and map dispatch to props. So map state to props and map dispatch to props as well. Alright, and then what it says that's it. Now you're connected to Redux. Try changing either connects arguments to null and observe the test result. Alright, so this is done for us, but we are forgetting one thing, and I spent a good half an hour on this part. So here we need to pass the component on which we are calling the connect method, which is our presentational component. Alright, perfect, and here you go. That's our result over here. Alright, cool. So let's run the test and see if it passes. Yay, got code them all. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I really hope you understood how to connect Redux to React, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So until next video, have fun practicing this new concept and I'll see you in the next one.